There are shots that you can only achieve using a particular tools, gears, or accessories. And what I just got here is the new 3-meter carbon fiber selfie stick of TELESIN. As what I just said, it can extend up to 3 meters and have a very convenient silicone grip. It is lightweight because of its carbon fiber material. There are locations that you need a particular accessory to give justice to the beauty of the place. Here are some different shots that you can do with this long selfie stick. This selfie stick is not only giving your ideal selfie or group photographies during travel, but it can also be beneficial for vlogging as it can be an impromptu tripod, and for film creators to create some shot that cannot achieve with the normal length of your arms. I really enjoyed trying this insane selfie stick, very lightweight and surprisingly stable with the help of its silicone grip, given that it can extend up to 3 meters. Check on my description below for the links to their website. This is Jason Oliciano. Thank you for watching. Please consider subscribing, like and share. Click the notification bell so you will be updated on my new videos. Until next time.